Hey, what's going on everyone? Greg here with RC Driver, and we are winding down on our Traxxas TRX-4 Sport build. Basically today we're just going to install the tires. This thing needs some tires on it, but first I wanted to address some of the comments in some of the videos. Yes, I will be swapping out the red axle covers on the axles. Those are going to be gray. It's coming up in one of the final videos, and I'm of course going to swap out the D rings for the gray rings as well. But today we are going to go ahead and install the new tires on here. I showed you guys the new tires in the intro video. Basically, they're the same. They're the Canyon Trail tires. They are the S1 compound. Actually, here's the original wheel and tire right here. So this is a glued tire from the factory, and we're going to go and install the Traxxas Beadlock wheels on there. These are method wheels that I have. They're black chrome. They look really good. I'm actually really impressed with the bracing in the center of these. It looks like they're really sturdy. And when you do go to assemble these with a tire, you will need the Beadlock rings as well. So I have some blue rings here. I think these are painted just by the look of it. Maybe they're powder coated, but there's 4 rings that come in the package, so you could do 2 wheels. Of course, and they give you all the hardware as well. There's a self-tapping hardware, which I've already put 1 wheel together. Here it is right here, and I really like the self-tapping hardware that they have in it because it grabs the beadlock really well and seats everything down nice and easily. Now, I am going to go and suggest if you don't have an electric driver, such as this Makita driver right here, you go and get one, maybe from your local hardware store or whatever. Try to find something with a clutch on there so you don't strip anything out, or if they don't have a clutch version. When you're screwing the beadlock down, don't screw it all the way down to where it's going to strip something out, maybe hand tighten the rest of it. But I do have my Traxxas 1/4" bit 1.5mm driver in there. It's going to make life a lot easier because there are a lot of screws in these wheels. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and assemble all these, and I do have the stainless steel screw kit for it as well. This does 4 wheels, and we're going to build up 5 wheels for this truck because I'm going to use one as a spare. So that means my spare right here is going to have the stock steel screws on there. Not a big deal, it's just for show anyway. And then finally, when I'm ready to bolt these on, I'm going to go ahead and put these serrated lock nuts on there to really grab onto the wheel. Make sure they don't go anywhere. All right, I've got a lot of work ahead of me. You don't want to see me just put wheels together. Trust me, they go together nice and easily, actually. I'm gonna go and mount them all up and show you what it looks like on the truck when I'm done. Take a look at that. We've got wheels and tires back on our project truck, and that means it's getting closer to being wrapped up, and I really like how this wheel and tire combination came out. I think it looks pretty awesome, and they go together really well. It's not a lot of pushing the bead of the tire into the wheel. You kind of just have to set it nice and neat. Put the ring on top and it'll suck the tire down into the rim, and it works out really well. It was pretty simple to put them all together, just a little on the time consuming side because there's so many screws holding in all the bead locks. Now, the difference between the stock tire setup and this new tire setup with the multiple piece wheel is about 27 grams, so it does add a little bit of weight to the truck as well, which is good. I really like how these Canyon tires work. When I tested them on the stock TRX-4, they worked really well, so I think they're going to be a great addition to our project truck when we finally get out there to drive it. All right, that means the next video up is all about the body and all about the scale accessories that you could get for the body. So if you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss that video. It's gonna really set off the look of this truck, and I don't want you guys to miss it.